Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your own custom keyboard like mine. I'm about to show you. Hold on, let me just get in the chat so I can show you my custom keyboard. This is my custom keyboard background. And what you need to do to basically get any custom keyboard background, go to the settings, go to language and input, click this, you go to the theme, and then you click my themes, and then you go to your picture, go to any picture you want. Then, as you can see, I'm going to click this picture, and then boom, I have to do that. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just do that. Or if you don't want to use that, use your own custom theme, you could use that one. So basically, how you can make some pictures is basically you could go to make your own custom theme is you go to search up some you want like memes, you gotta search up memes on YouTube, memes on Google. And you click images. Then you click the meme. You go to, you copy the meme. You copy it. Or you could basically you you copy the meme and you go to the settings, and then you should have it in your pictures, I guess. But if you want to do your Roblox character, you go to Chrome again, and this time you can search up roblox.com /profile. Profile. Then you need to go to your, click the first thing that pops up, and you click your profile. Then you hold down your avatar, and then you download the image, open it up, and then you go back to your settings, language and input, same stuff. But if you go to theme, you click my themes. You should have your picture of your Roblox character. Anyways, guys, I gotta go, so bye, guys.